A timeless elixir for beauty and health. In a world where modern advancements often overshadow the wisdom of the past, the Castor Chronicles beckon us to rediscover the treasures that have stood the test of time. At the heart of this narrative lies castor oil, a remarkable elixir whose journey spans centuries, carrying with it a trove of ancient secrets and modern miracles. As we step into the rich tapestry of the Castor Chronicles, we embark on a captivating voyage that bridges the gap between history and innovation, revealing castor oil's profound impact on beauty, health, and sustainability. Chapter 1. Ancient Origins. Castor Oil Through the Ages. From Egyptian ointments to Greek remedies. The Castor Chronicles transport us back to the dawn of civilization, where castor oil's storied history begins. In the land of the pharaohs, ancient Egyptians revered castor oil as an essential ingredient in their beauty regimen, using it to moisturize skin and enhance their natural radiance. As we journey further, the Chronicles introduce us to the Greeks, who recognized the potent medicinal properties of castor oil. Embracing its therapeutic potential, they integrated it into their healing practices, unleashing its power to alleviate ailments and ailments alike. Castor oil emerges as a link between civilizations, its significance resonating across epochs. Chapter 2. The Modern Renaissance. Castor oil in the 21st century, reviving the elixir of life. While history's pages often turn towards progress, the Castor Chronicles shed light on the resurgence of castor oil in the contemporary world. In an era dominated by synthetic solutions, this ancient elixir has staged a comeback, captivating modern audiences seeking natural alternatives. The Chronicles unfurl before us the remarkable versatility of castor oil, ranging from promoting hair growth and nurturing skin to aiding digestion and mitigating discomfort. As society reconnects with its roots, castor oil takes center stage, proving that timeless solutions can coexist with the advancements of today. Chapter 3. Beauty Unveiled. Castor oil's glamour secrets. Glowing skin, luscious locks, and beyond. Within the Castor Chronicles lies a chapter devoted to the ethereal realm of beauty. Castor oil, once the secret of queens and enchantresses, finds itself reincarnated in modern vanity routines. The Chronicles detail its pivotal role in nurturing radiant skin, encouraging hair growth, and enhancing overall appearance. From the ritual of oil cleansing to the art of brow nourishment, castor oil unveils its transformative abilities, embracing its heritage as a symbol of timeless allure and embracing its place in the modern quest for beauty. Chapter 4. From Alchemy to Science, Castor Oil's Healing Touch. From Myths to Medical Marvels. The Castor Chronicles embark on a journey from mythos to medical marvels, revealing castor oil's evolution from ancient anecdotes to validated remedies. Scientific exploration intersects with ancient wisdom as castor oil's therapeutic potential gains empirical support. Chronicles elucidate its effectiveness in alleviating joint discomfort, reducing inflammation, and even assisting in labor. Castor oil, once a mystical potion, emerges as a bridge between past beliefs and modern understanding, affirming that the wisdom of antiquity can resonate within the rigors of contemporary science. Chapter 5. Castor Oil, an eco-friendly modern marvel. Sustainable solutions for a greener future. As humanity turns its gaze toward sustainability, the Castor Chronicles unravel yet another facet of castor oil's prowess. The Chronicles reveal its remarkable versatility in contributing to a greener future. Castor oil transitions from historical anecdotes to a modern-day marvel, playing a pivotal role in biofuels, bioplastics, and eco-friendly products. In a world grappling with environmental challenges, castor oil becomes a symbol of sustainable innovation, reminding us that ancient remedies can shape the course of a more ecologically conscious world. Chapter 6. Castor Oil's Enigmatic Essence, Myths, Folklore, and Rituals. Unveiling mystical narratives. As we delve further into the Castor Chronicles, an enchanting chapter unfolds, one that delves into the mystical narratives, myths, folklore, and rituals entwined with castor oil's essence. Castor oil's reputation transcends the physical realm, often revered as a conduit to spiritual dimensions. Chronicles share tales of witches' brews, protective charms, and whispered remedies that weave together its enigmatic aura. This exploration emphasizes that castor oil's influence isn't solely grounded in science or history, but extends into the realm of the mysterious and the ethereal. Chapter 7. Castor Oil and Cultural Tapestry, Global Traditions and Practices. Weaving diversity through the elixir. The Castor Chronicles open a window to the cultural kaleidoscope that castor oil has touched across the world. From Asia to the Americas, various cultures have integrated this elixir into their traditions and practices. Uncover the rich narratives of Ayurvedic healing, where castor oil is revered as a remedy for detoxification and balance. journey through South American rituals that incorporate its mystical properties and spiritual ceremonies. The Chronicles highlight how castor oil's story transcends borders, binding humanity through shared wellness and ancient rituals. Chapter 8: Castor Oil's Future, Pioneering New Horizons, Paving the Path for Innovations. The final chapter of the Castor Chronicles propels us into the uncharted territories of castor oil's future. With innovation as its compass, castor oil is embarking on new frontiers, from personalized skincare formulations to groundbreaking medical applications. The Chronicles shed light on ongoing research and pioneering initiatives that harness the elixir's potential to address modern challenges, including antibiotic resistance and sustainable agriculture. As we stand at the precipice of tomorrow, castor oil continues to script its own narrative, leaving an indelible mark on the evolution of human well-being. Chapter 9: Castor Oil in Art and Literature, Inspiring Creativity Through the Ages, Brushstrokes of Inspiration. The Castor Chronicles take an artistic turn as they explore the profound influence of castor oil on creative expression throughout history. From Renaissance masterpieces to contemporary literature, the elixir has woven itself into the fabric of human creativity. Chronicles highlight how artists and writers have drawn inspiration from castor oil's symbolism of transformation, healing, and renewal. Traverse the landscapes of paintings, sculptures, and literary works that pay homage to this ancient elixir, showcasing its ability to stir the imagination and evoke emotions across generations. Chapter 10: Castor Oil's Essence, Unity of Past, Present, and Future. Bridging time, sealing legacies, the final chapter of the Castor Chronicles circles back to the heart of its essence, the unity of past, present, and future. Castor oil stands as a unifying thread that binds the eras, reminding us that our journey is a continuum of exploration and evolution. As we stand on the precipice of new discoveries and forge ahead into uncharted territories, the Chronicles offer a poignant reminder that the lessons of history, the wonders of the present, and the possibilities of the future are interconnected. The elixir story resonates as an invitation to honor tradition, embrace innovation, and leave a legacy that reverberates through time. Chapter 11: Castor Oil's Mystique, From Folklore to Scientific Inquiry, Unraveling Enigmatic Beginnings. The Castor Chronicles delve deeper into the enigma surrounding castor oil, tracing its path from the realm of folklore to the meticulous scrutiny of scientific inquiry. Chronicles shed light on how this elixir's once mythical reputation spurred curiosity among researchers, leading to comprehensive studies on its chemical composition and multifaceted benefits. Uncover how the mystique of castor oil's origins has transformed into a scientific journey of discovery, unlocking its secrets and validating its potential as a catalyst for well-being. Chapter 12: Castor Oil, Legacy and Continuation in the Digital Age, Carrying the Flame Across Digital Frontiers. As the Castor Chronicles approach their digital finale, the spotlight shifts to castor oil's enduring legacy in the age of technology. Chronicles illuminate how this ancient treasure has transitioned seamlessly into the digital realm, with online communities, blogs, and social media platforms showcasing its timeless influence. Explore how castor oil's legacy is continued through digital channels, connecting people across the globe who are driven by a shared fascination for its history, virtues, and innovative applications. Castor Chronicles, an odyssey of wisdom and innovation. As we bring the final curtain down on the Castor Chronicles, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of history and innovation, tradition and transformation. This odyssey, spanning the realms of beauty, health, spirituality, science, and creativity, has cast light upon the multifaceted nature of castor oil, an elixir that transcends categorization, time, and boundaries. The Chronicles have been our guide through the rich tapestry of human experience, revealing how castor oil's journey seamlessly intertwines with the evolution of our species. From ancient civilizations to the digital age, this elixir's story resonates as an unending saga of adaptability and resonance. As we turn the pages of history, we find that castor oil is more than a potion. It is a thread that connects generations, cultures, and aspirations. In a world constantly seeking the new and the novel, the Castor Chronicles remind us that wisdom and innovation are not mutually exclusive. They are, in fact, kindred spirits, intertwined in a dance that propels humanity forward. Castor oil's journey is a testament to the enduring power of ancient wisdom, a force that shapes modern marvels as well as the possibilities of tomorrow.